Hello everyone, welcome to Sci-Ease. As we look around the surroundings, we see variety of the things which has different shape, sizes and texture. All these things, they are made up of material known as matter. The air we breathe, the food we eat, stone, stars, plant, animal, even a drop of water or a particle of sand, all are made up of matter. All these things which I have just mentioned, they have mass and they occupy space. So what is matter? Anything that has mass and occupies space, that is a matter. So matter, regarding this, scientists classify this matter on the basis of physical properties and the chemical nature. Here in this chapter, we will study about the physical nature of the matter and the chemical nature regarding that we will study in the subsequent lessons. Now my first topic is matter is made up of particles. Scientists, there were two schools regarding the nature of the matter. One school thought that it is a continuous substance, matter, like a block of wood. And the other school thought that matter is made up of particle. So here we will perform an activity which will show us that matter is made up of particle. Take a beaker, fill it half with water and mark the level of the water in it. Now add a spoonful of salt or sugar in it. Okay, here I have marked salt as red, otherwise it's white. In order to distinguish it, I have marked it with red pen. So first the salt we will add in water. Now, and then stir it with the help of glass rod. What is your observation? Where that salt or sugar has gone? Is there any increase in the level of water? So, where that salt disappears? So, the answer to that is that when we stir it with a glass rod, the salt particles, they will get dissolved in water, and the particles of the salt, they get into the spaces between the particles of water. And there will be no increase in the level of water. So this shows that matter is made up of particles, and the particles, they distribute in the spaces. And now the next thing is, how small are these particles of matter? For this also, we will perform one activity. We will take 100 ml of clear water. I have marked with blue because it will show that the water is clear. Now take 2 to 3 crystals of potassium permanganate, KMnO4, and dissolve that potassium permanganate in this 100 ml water. Now take 10 ml of this solution, 10 ml of the solution, that pink solution in which potassium permanganate that is dissolved, 2 to 3 crystals. We will take 10 ml of this and put it into 90 ml of clear water. Now again the water will become 100 ml. This solution, because it resulted in the formation of the solution, two things they are mixed together. So again we will see that this solution is of pink color. Go on repeating this 8 times, 8 to 10 times or 5 to 8 times, and you will see that the color, the pink color, that will become light, but it will not disappear altogether. This means that one crystal of potassium permanganate that is made up of millions of tiny particles. So these particles, they are so small that as we are diluting the solution, still the particles, they remain in the solution. And at one time, the particles, they will not divide. So this will show that the particles of the matter, they are very small. You can't think of it. They are so small. You can't think of that. So with this, my topic, that physical nature of the matter, that is finished. Then in the next video, I will come with another topic of this chapter. Till then, thank you very much. Thank you.